know your baby arrives with a pre-programmed survival kit? Before they even learn to recognize your face, their body already knows exactly how to find, latch, and swallow. Today, we're exploring the incredible world of congenital reflexes, the biological magic that turns a tiny newborn into a breastfeeding professional from second one. Stay with us to see how nature does the heavy lifting for you. Welcome back to the Parentis Program's breastfeeding series. It is easy to feel like you have to teach your baby everything, but when it comes to breastfeeding, your baby is born with a complex and wonderful mechanism already in place. These congenital reflexes are the foundation of your nursing journey, ensuring your baby can find the breast and nourish themselves instinctively. Dr. Cataline Charley, neonatologist, pediatrician, and international board-certified lactation consultant, breaks down this sophisticated system. There are more reflexes. One of them is the searching reflex, or rooting reflex. If we touch the baby's face, the baby will turn to the direction of the touch, so he or she is looking for the mother's breast. Then there is the sucking reflex. This starts to work when something suckable gets into the baby's mouth. When the milk is getting into the baby's throat, the swallowing reflex steps in and the baby swallows it. So these are reflexes on the baby's side. A normal, healthy baby all possesses these. The baby can coordinate them and all functions well together. Many mothers are surprised by how professional their newborns seem right after birth. When these reflexes take over, it often feels like the baby is the one doing the teaching. One mother shared her amazement at the speed of it all. The maternity nurse put him onto my breast in a second, and I didn't have time to realize anything, but my son started to do it right immediately. So this sucking reflex really works automatically. There was nothing to teach here for anything. Another mother observed how her son seemed to follow an internal manual. My son was very smart because he knew at once what to do. A breast has got into his mouth and he professionally started to suck it, as he has to do it by the book. At the Parentis Program, we believe that understanding these involuntary wonders helps you relax. When you see your baby turning their head or smacking their lips, you aren't just seeing random movements. You are seeing a highly coordinated biological success story. By learning the why behind these actions, you become a more prepared parent. Now that we've seen how the baby is programmed for success, it's time to look at the other half of the partnership. If you enjoyed discovering the secret software of your newborn, please like this video and subscribe to Parentis. In our next episode, the conversation continues as we explore the mother's reflexes related to breastfeeding and the fascinating internal process of milk production and lactation. We'll see you then.
Please note that all the content of the Parentis Program is for educational and informational purposes only and does not constitute medical advice. We encourage you to consult with your gynecologist, pediatrician, public health nurse, or physician regarding any topics covered here. For more details, please review our legal statement.